This video is about internet and WWW, World Wide Web. In general, network of network is called internet. When small network connected together, they form a big huge network. WAN is a proper example, means global network of billions of computer and other electronic device. When connected together, with the help of this network, people share their information, their data, they communicate. This is called WAN. We can do all this by connecting a computer to the internet, which we also called as going online. When you go online, you can access different website according to your interest. You can share information, you can connect with the people through social networking sites or by Gmail or by some other net website. So for this purpose, you need one computer or electronic device and other is internet. Now, how does internet work? Our computer or smartphone may be linked to the internet using phone line, mobile internet service provider, or computer may be part of LAN, small LAN means local area network, and LAN will be connected to ISP using a high speed phone line like T1 line or some other. First, we all connected through the internet by LAN. Then LAN merged to when different LAN connected together, they form MAN, and then different MAN connected together, they form WAN, which is we call internet. WWW web. There is difference between WWW web or internet, where internet is a huge network where different type of electronic device connect together, and with the help of this network people start communicate or sharing their information. On the other hand, web is collection of web pages. In short, collection of web pages found on this network of computer is known as web. The World Wide Web is a way of exchanging information between computer on the internet, tying them together into a vast collection of interactive multimedia resources. Here, multimedia means we can share or we can connect, we can have interface of different multimedia means video, audio, image. What is URL? We all know every website have a address. A uniform resource locator or URL is the address of document we find on www. Now there are two type of website. One is static, other is dynamic. As the name specifies, static is a kind of constant and dynamic which is variable which can be changed. Static A static website is one that has web pages stored on the server in the form of that is sent to a client web browser. It is primarily coded in HTML, hypertext markup language. The other is dynamic. Modern day web has web embedded application and websites that can change and update their content depending upon the user's need and a specific area. So a dynamic website is one that can be changed. Web is a two-tiered app architecture. There are two things basically. One is client application and other is application server. First is HTTP GET request. Whenever the web client has to display a web page, it makes a GET request and send the URL of the web page. A GET response, a GET request is always accompanied by a URL, and the web server receive the GET request and respond by sending the HTML of the URL if available. If no such URL exists, it return an error. It happens sometime with you or with me also. It is common thing. Then post request. Whenever a web client has to send some data, for example, you need to submit your form, then you have to First, this data will be sent to the web server for storing in a database through a POST request. The HTTP response to a POST request is also either an error, why if not executed successfully, or it could be a success code if completed successfully. Okay, see in this diagram we have data source. Whenever we want to submit something, we want to upload or store something, the data goes directly in data source, that is a database. DNS. Every website have a short name which is known DNS. Short name is that can be in readable form. Otherwise, we have IP address which is in the form of numbers. The domain name system translates human readable domain name. These are some example of DNS like .com, .edu, .gov, .mil, .net. There are some country specific domain name also like in for India and use for United States like email. We all are very much familiar about with this name email. Mail short for email, electronic mail is information stored on a computer that is exchanged between two users over telecommunication. There are different features and uses of advantages of email like automatic and default reply the message. You can do that. Yes, if you are not available, you can set the setting, change the setting, and if you are not available, still it will send a default message to the sender. Then auto forward and redirection of message, automatic filling and retrieval of messages, notification if a message cannot be delivered. Yes, you all are very much familiar all this feature because you are using email from a very long time.